Tired of shaky GoPro footage ruining your epic shots? You're not alone. Whether you're mountain biking, snowboarding, or just capturing your travels, nothing kills the vibe faster than bumpy, unstable video. That's why today we're testing the top gimbals of 2025, so you can capture buttery smooth action, no matter how wild your adventure gets. We've put these gimbals through their paces, and I'm here to help you find out which one truly stands out for your needs. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Hohem iSteady Pro 4. First up is the Hohem iSteady Pro 4, which has made a name for itself as the go-to budget gimbal for action camera users. What really sets the iSteady Pro 4 apart is its unbeatable price point. In a market where gimbals can get pretty expensive, this one delivers serious value without cutting corners on the essentials. You get 3-axis stabilization, which means your footage stays smooth and professional looking, even when you're running, jumping, or biking down a rocky trail. Another big advantage is compatibility. The iSteady Pro 4 works seamlessly with several generations of GoPro's Hero series, and it also supports popular action cameras from DJI and Sony. That flexibility is a huge plus if you use different devices or plan to upgrade your camera in the future. You won't have to worry about your gimbal becoming obsolete. Battery life is another area where the iSteady Pro 4 shines. You can film for hours on a single charge, which is perfect for long shoots, travel days, or any situation where charging opportunities are limited. The controls are intuitive, and the build quality feels solid for the price. Number 2. Zhiyun Crane M2S Combo Kit. Next up is the Zhiyun Crane M2S Combo Kit. This gimbal is all about giving you creative control with your GoPro or action camera. The Crane M2S lets you pull off smooth tilts, pans, and even rolls, so you can get those dynamic cinematic shots that really make your footage stand out. One of the coolest features is the adjustable built-in light, which offers 5 brightness levels and 4 color filters. This opens up a ton of creative options, especially if you're shooting in low light or want to add a unique look to your videos. Switching between cameras is quick and hassle-free thanks to the quick release plate. You can easily detach one camera and mount another without missing a beat, which is perfect for creators who use multiple devices or like to switch between action cams and compact cameras. The Crane M2S is operated with a responsive joystick, giving you precise control over your movements. Plus, it offers several shooting modes, so you can adapt to different subjects and filming scenarios with ease. Number 3. Hohem iSteady M6. Moving on to number 3, the Hohem iSteady M6. While this gimbal is primarily designed for smartphones, it's surprisingly easy to adapt for most action cameras with an affordable adapter. What really makes the iSteady M6 stand out is its innovative AI sensor, a magnetic attachable camera that tracks your subject's movement on screen. This means your action camera will follow your subject smoothly and accurately, even if they're moving unpredictably. The AI sensor also doubles as a convenient fill light, giving your shots extra clarity in any lighting condition. Stabilization with the iSteady M6 is impressively smooth, making your footage look professional and shake-free, even during the fast-paced action. The ergonomic grip is comfortable to hold, so you can film for extended periods without fatigue. The smart tracking feature is a game-changer for solo creators or anyone who wants to keep themselves or their subject perfectly framed without a second person behind the camera. With its smart tracking, built-in lighting, and effortless stabilization, the Hohem iSteady M6 is a versatile choice for creators who want flexibility and advanced features. Whether you're shooting with a phone or an action camera, if you're looking for a gimbal that can adapt to different devices and filming styles, this one is definitely worth a closer look. Number 4. FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 2. At number 4, we have the FeiyuTech SCORP Mini 2. This is a modern gimbal packed with advanced features, including a built-in AI tracking module. What's really cool about the SCORP Mini 2 is its gesture control system. The gimbal recognizes specific hand gestures, letting you switch tracking modes or trigger the shutter without ever touching the gimbal or camera. For example, making an OK sign can start or stop tracking, while holding your palm out activates the shutter. It's perfect for hands-free operation, especially if you're filming yourself, or need to keep your hands free for other gear. Designed specifically for action cameras, the SCORP Mini 2 is compact and compatible with recent GoPro models via Bluetooth. Its smaller size makes it ideal for on-the-go creators who need reliable stabilization in a portable package. In our experience with its larger sibling, the FeiyuTech SCORP 2, the gesture controls generally worked well, though some gestures took a bit of practice to master. Number 5. FeiyuTech G6. Finally, let's talk about the FeiyuTech G6. This gimbal stands out as one of the best for action cameras, thanks to its impressive 12-hour battery life and splashproof design. That makes it perfect for long shoots in challenging conditions, whether you're out in the rain, snow, or just dealing with unpredictable weather. You can control the G6 easily through its dedicated app, and the built-in OLED screen lets you check your settings at a glance, keeping you in control at all times. Versatility is another strong point. The G6 is compatible with a wide range of cameras, from the GoPro Hero 13 to the Sony RX0, and even the DJI Osmo. Its thoughtful design ensures the gimbal never blocks your camera's screen, so you always have a clear view of your shot, no matter the angle. One thing to note, if you plan to use your camera's onboard microphone, be aware that the gimbal motor sits close to the mic and may occasionally pick up some operational noise. Overall, the FeiyuTech G6 offers reliable stabilization, user-friendly features, and broad compatibility, making it a top choice for action camera enthusiasts who want both performance and convenience. So, which is the best? For unbeatable stability, smart features, and value, the Hohem iSteady Pro 4 is our top pick for GoPro users in 2025. Grab it and get ready for your smoothest footage yet. And don't forget to let me know in the comments which gimbal you choose, or if you have any questions about these models. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.